Today on the table, I've got myself a Samsung Galaxy J3 2016 model. I think the model number is SM-J320. With this, you don't really require too much to do it. I've had this being heated up for a while, but there's a little flap here. From here, you'll be able to test your replacement OLED or LCD screen. So this has been heating up now for about 5 minutes at 60 degrees, and removing the screen is quite easy with that. If you don't have access to one of these, you could alternatively use a heat gun or a hairdryer to heat up the front of the display. You don't require to take out any of the screws to get into it. It's simply one cover, lift, and then from here I need to remove the OLED panel. And then after that, give it a bit of a clean up with a toothbrush, make sure there's no glass fragments left behind, and you should be right to install the new screen from there. In this one, I did go with a cheaper aftermarket LCD replacement as opposed to the OLED screens these originally came with, being that they cost about 1/3 of the price. And usually with people with these kind of phones aren't too concerned about the quality, or they're not really noticing the quality difference. They're more than happy to have the dollar saving, which is definitely fair enough compared to the price of buying another one of these is almost the same as the OLED panel. So if I was in the same boat, I probably would go with the aftermarket screen myself. Anyway, I'll keep cleaning this up, and I'll proceed to install the new screen and give you a quick display of the image, or be able to check out the image. Anyway, very straightforward phone to replace. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.